Premium quality, budget-friendly. This is FP300E, newly developed agricultural drone of Topxgun. FP300E is with compact drone body and excellent performance, 30 kilograms maximum payload, 30-liter spraying tank, 45-liter spreading tank, high-strength aviation aluminum frame, durable and sturdy. Classic quadcopter design, foldable arms for easy transportation. Operable by one person, flexible operation, easy maintenance. Overall IP67 protection level can be flushed directly with water. Paired with a 7-inch HD intelligent remote controller, clear screen visibility, even under strong light. Long battery duration for all-day operation. Expanded vision, real-time monitoring with FPV. FP300E supports both spraying and spreading modes. Spreading mode. New SP5E centrifugal spreader adapts to different sizes and densities of materials, such as seeds, bait, fertilizer, etc. Uses roller discharging for precise and uniform spreading. Powerful centrifugal spreader, 6 to 8 meters spreading width, up to 100 kilograms per minute feeding speed. Up to 1.5 tons per hour comprehensive operation efficiency. Spraying mode. Standard wind pressure dual centrifugal nozzles. Industry first wind pressure centrifugal nozzles. Combining the advantages of pressure and centrifugal nozzles. Even in fine atomization. 50 to 500 micron adjustable droplet size range. 10 liters per minute maximum flow rate. Up to 160 mu per hour comprehensive operation efficiency. Dual channel high flow metering pump. High precision, corrosion resistance, and reliable. For its high-efficiency energy solution, there are 2 batteries, 1 charger, lightweight and portable, 20,000 mAh high-performance battery, 4,500 watt intelligent charger, quick charging, meeting the demands of continuous operations. FP300E integrates Topxgun's latest intelligent software system, more stable and efficient. Supports all-terrain operations, from vast plains to rugged mountains. For complex terrains, achieves 3D mapping through aerial surveying, one-time surveying and mapping for long-term use. For gentle slopes, it supports real-time modeling through radar, quick operation without need for aerial surveys. Active obstacle avoidance. FP300E can effectively detect obstacles ahead. Autonomous slope change recognition for safer flights. Economical, efficient, and easy to use. All in one. Topxgun FP300E, your smart and reliable farming partner.